Hello everyone, myself Madhumita, Assistant Professor, Soundarya Institute of Management and Science. In today's lecture, we are going to cover one example on tuning machine. In previous lecture, we have seen introduction and basic concept operation on tuning machine, how we can perform. So, based on that, we will see today one example on tuning machine. Say for example, here it is given to us, design a tuning machine which recognizes a language, this language. That is 0, 1 closer 0. That means what do you understand by this language? This example is the easiest and smallest example in tuning machine concept. So, for a student to understand, for beginners to understand, this example will be better for you. So, what we understand by this language, that is 0, 1 closer 0 means a string should start with 0 followed by n number of ones and it should end with 0. If a string has this combination, it should accept. Apart from that, it should not accept any other string. Any other string, it means what? Any string, if it starts with 1 or if it ends with 1 or in between, apart from n number of ones, if any 0 comes or 00 n number of ones, then 0, if like that case comes, like for example we have 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So, we can say that starting and ending is 0, in between it is not n number of 1, we have one more 0. So, this type of string should not be accepted. If instead of this, if it is like this, then this type of string should be accepted. So, let us see how to design. First we will see how it works on tuning machine, then we will go for graphical representation. So, I will take one example, say for example, that is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, blank. We know that where my tuning machine will, where my string will end, after that it will have blank symbol. So, first we will analyze how it works. My tape is, input tape is here. From here to here it is my input string followed by blank symbol. Infinity times my blank symbol will appear. So, if my input tape is at 0, we will start scanning from left side, that is 0. My input tape is reading input 0. Then what should happen? What all operations we can perform? We can perform either it can read or it can update. After performing this, either it can move left or right side. This is our basic principle of basic operations what we can perform on Turing machine. So, I am reading 0. After reading 0, I will convert it into some other alphabet. Suppose it is X. I have converted it into X. We have to, before scanning all the input, we have to assume, we have to think which pattern we should select. So, what I will do in this case, if I get 0, I will convert it into X. If I get 1, I will convert it into some other character. Okay. So, here I got 0, I am converting into X. Then what I want? Actually, according to my language, it should come n number of ones. If it is n number of ones, it will be in same state because it is performing same task. So, after reading this 0, I have converted, I have updated it into X. Then I will move my tape to right. Then it will read another input, another string, that is 1. 1. If this is different alphabet. Before it was 0, now it is 1. You can update with same alphabet also, that is X, but you can't differentiate which one you have updated. So, it is better to change the character. So, I will update it with Y. When I was at 0, I was at particular state. For example, I am at Q0 state. Now I have read another input, so I'll move to some other state. Okay, so I'll move to, say for example, Q1 state, and I have updated my 1 with Y. Next, what after updating, I'll move right. When I'll move right, again I have same 1. Since it is same character, same alphabet, so I'll change it to same string, that is same alphabet. Next alphabet also I have taken, next symbol I have taken Y. So n number of 1 will come, I'll update with Y only, so that I'll understand, okay, these many number of Y 1 has appeared. So I have converted into Y, and I'll be, since I am performing same task, I'll be in the same state. Okay, so I am at Q1 state only, this is my tape, I am at Q1 only. Next again what? 1 is there, again I'll convert it into Y, I am in the same state, I'll be at same state. Next again I have 1, I'll again convert it into Y, I'll convert it into Y, I'll convert it into Y, and I am in the same state. So n number, right now it was only 4 ones, you can have any number of ones, and I am at the same state. Then what? At last, according to this, I should have only 1 0. 0 we have converted with X. So here also, next what we have? Next we have 0. So I'll convert it in with X. I'll convert this 0 by reading 0, I have converted it into X. When we have converted it into X, from Q1 it will go to some other state, because it's performing, if it's reading another input, that is Q2, it has read Q2. Now what we want? I should get next blank. If I don't get blank, if we get blank, we will reach to final state, because according to my pattern it was searching for first 0 should come, followed by n number of 1, followed by single 0. So if since we got single 0, right now we got single 0, so after that we should get blank symbol. So we are reading now blank symbol. When we are reading blank symbol, that means my string is accepted. So now we are reading blank symbol. We have read already one concept, that if we don't want to change any string, any update, so what we'll do? We'll leave as it is. So right now we are reading blank. We don't want to change anything. We'll leave blank as it is. So blank is read with blank only, and this string will be accepted. Again next, since we got one blank, it is understood that we'll have n number of now blank. Okay, I hope this logic, how it will work, will be clear to you. Now we'll see with how it is represented graphically, how we can represent it. So we'll start with, say here we have Q0 is my start state. Okay, this is my start state. Over my Q0 start state, what it says that by reading 0, on Q0, by reading 0, we'll update this 0 with X and we'll move right. Okay, so we are at Q0, this is my start symbol, start state. By reading this, I'll move to Q1. Here what we are reading? We are reading 0. By reading 0, which symbol we are changing? We are changing to X. When we are changing it to X, which direction we are moving now? We are moving to right side. So we'll write right. That means from here we move to right. Now here at 1, string 1, which symbol we have? It has been updated with Y, and we are at state Q1. After changing, we are at state 1. We were at this. Now again we'll move, we'll be at Q1 state only. So we are performing same task, that means. So when we are performing same task, we are at Q1 only. By reading, we are at, by reading 1, we updated it to Y, we updated it to y, and we moved right. We moved to right. How many times? N number of times. Right now we have only 4 ones. If 10 ones also will come, same operation, since we are performing same operation, we are at the same, we are on the same state. Then we are following this Q1 again, for this also, for this symbol also we have done. Right now next we have 0. So what we are doing? Same operation we have performed into self loop. We have converted all 1 to y. Next what we want to do? We read 0 here now. Since we read 0, we will convert it into x and we will move to some other state. So we move to some other state. Okay. Here what we are reading? Next is at Q1 we are reading, right now we are at Q1. Now next what we are reading? 0. When we are reading 0, we will convert it into x. By converting into x, we have moved to right. Now after moving it, what we are getting now? We are getting blank symbol. Since we will get blank, that is my acceptance state. So we will reach to acceptance state. When we reach to acceptance state, when we are reaching, if we are at Q2 state, by reading next symbol as my blank, we will leave it as blank and we will move to right. You can represent like this also or like this also, both the ways are okay. Okay, so now by viewing my blank symbol, we'll reach to acceptance state. That means this is the basic structure of this particular language, given language. Then you can ask, this will accept, you can see with example, this will accept all the possibility. Suppose it is, your string is 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0, and it will accept. After this blank will come. So after this blank will come, it will accept. If you have single 1 0 1 0 0 1 0, then accept, blank means accept. So you can try with any number of this type of this language string, all the string will be accepted. You can check with some other string also, which is 0 0 1 0. It should not accept. So what is this? 0. If 0 comes here, then here at this 0 comes what? We have not defined anywhere, we have not represented anywhere. We can represent that also. If you don't represent, still this much if you write, that is also correct, since it is deterministic example. So your Turing machine is deterministic. So from each state it should cover all the inputs. So here in this case we are having 0 and 1 as an input. 0 and 1 as an input, we have 0 and 1. So since here from each state it should cover all the inputs. From here we covered 0, 1 we have not covered. So if 1 comes, then what should happen? Say for example, I will take one more state, Q3. If from here 1 comes, it should reject state. This is my reject state. Reject state. Then what? If 1 comes, I will leave it as 1 only. I will move right. Other possibility, if first only if we get blank, it will leave as blank and it will move right. That can be another possibility. Here, at this state, if 1 comes, it's here. If 0 comes, it will move here. So both the inputs we have covered. If blank comes, that means when can be the blank? If single 0. If your string is single 0, it should not accept. So at that point of time, if blank comes, it should reject that state. So if blank comes, it will leave as blank and it will move right side. Then it's covered, all inputs are covered. Now next we will see Q2. At Q2, if 1 comes or any more 0 comes, so it will not accept. We will write for both. When it can be, if after this 1 0, here suppose 1 comes. After this 0, or this example will take this. After this 0, if 0 1 0 comes, it should accept. If I take one more 0, it should not accept. 0 1 0, if one more 0 comes, it should not accept. So it should go to reject state. So what we will write, if 0 comes, one more 0 comes, we will write, it should leave it as 0 only and it will move right. Or else, if instead of 0, 1 comes, then also it should not accept. So for that also we will write, if 1 is read, we will leave it as 1 and we will move right. Then we have covered with all the state. After this we will get blank state. Blank symbol if we get, that is final. So this is complete structure of graphical representation of your tuning machine for this particular language, that is 0 1 closure 0. I hope this will be clear to you. Thank you.